When you first get your product from MP5WORKS, this is how it will come in a nice little box. Opening up the box, we can find all of the various accessories included inside. Inside you get some cable ties as well as some extra bungee cord, which we'll talk about in a little bit. You also get some tubing that is pre-sleeved, ready to connect the product to your loop. Also inside is the installation and user manual. This details exactly how to install the product into your existing system. Once you pull out this insert, it reveals the product itself. This is the acrylic version, but an acetal version is also available. Inside you get 4 clips with included bungee cord to connect the product to the backplate of your GPU. You also get extra heat shrink if you may need it. Fitting wise, there are 2 push fittings which go into the BPC, and 2 fittings that have push fittings on one end and G1/4" on the other to connect it into your existing loop. To make full and proper contact to your GPU backplate, a heat pad is required, which has got protective material on both sides. To start the installation, take the push fit fittings and screw them into the BPC. Next, take your tubing with the pre-applied sleeving, slide it back, and simply push it in to the push fitting. This allows you to make sure that you're making proper contact into the fitting. You can then continue to slide the tubing back down for aesthetic reasons. Do exactly the same with the second piece of tubing, pull the sleeving back, push it into the fitting to make proper contact. Continue to do exactly the same with the other ends of the sleeving, simply pulling it off, taking the other fittings, connecting it in, and sliding it back down into place. Again, continue this for the second tube, pull it back, put it into the push fitting, and slide the tubing back down. Next, take your insulating pad and remove one of the protective films from one side. You can then continue to line it up onto the BPC into the position that is needed. You can then lightly press down and remove the protective film from the other side. To install this onto your GPU, simply position it onto the backplate of your graphics card. Once in position, simply push it down firmly and then use the included bungee clips to secure it into place. You can then continue to install the BPC into the rest of your loop.